So we got two presenters coming up. So these are the value drivers, and this saves you in millions, not in hundred thousands, but millions of it, and we definitely guarantee that.
So anytime I came into a situation, and I'll give you this perspective. Here's a CFO's perspective. So just to set the context, Dr. Imad makes master data sexy for the first time, believe it or not.
Everything is actually controlled or visible out of this solution.
And my job is to make bad data cry.
Pylog, 30 years of excellence.